VRoid Studio Eyes. Eye position down, moves eyes downward. Eye position up, moves eyes upward. Eyes proximity, moves eyes inward. Eyes distance, moves eyes outward. Eye width larger, increases the width of the eyes. Eye width narrower, decreases the width of the eyes. Eye height higher, increases the height of the eyes. Eye height shorter, decreases the height of the eyes. Iris width larger, increases the width of the iris. Iris width narrower, decreases the width of the iris. Iris height higher, increases the height of the iris. Iris height shorter, decreases the height of the iris. Eye direction up, moves iris upward. Eye direction down, moves iris downward. Eye direction inward, moves iris inward. Eye direction outward, moves iris outward. Eye shape, outer eye slant down, moves outer part of eye downward. Outer eye slant up, moves outer part of eye upward. Upper eyelid height lower, moves upper eyelid downward. Upper eyelid height higher, moves upper eyelid upward. Inner eye slant down moves inner eye part down. Inner eye slant up moves inner eye part upward. You can combine some of the sliders to create different eye shapes.